Hello, students, and welcome back to the DCAS initiative. My name is Swaraj. So, without wasting time, let's start with the first news. So, a scheme has been launched by Scientific and Engineering Research Board named Accelerate Vigyan Scheme. So, basically, यहाँ पे साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी को या साइंटिफिक रिसर्च को बढ़ावा या प्रमोट करने वाले हैं. सो इट प्रोवाइड्स अ सिंगल प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर कैपेसिटी बिल्डिंग प्रोग्राम एंड रिसर्च इंटर्नशिप्स and workshops across the country. The primary objective of the scheme is to provide encouraging high-end scientific research and preparing scientific manpower which can lead to research careers and knowledge-based economy. क्योंकि पैंडमिक में देखना R&D is the most important stuff which we should invest in, क्योंकि बाहर से टेक्नोलॉजी इंपोर्ट करना that is too expensive. So लोकल साइंटिफिक रिसर्च इज वेरी मच नीडेड. तो इसके लिए इन्होंने ये स्कीम बनाया है. देन द नेक्स्ट न्यूज़ इज नेशनल डॉक्टर्स डे. It was celebrated on 1st July every year to honor eminent physician Dr. Bidan Chandra Roy. It was initiated in 1991. It is organized by Indian Medical Association. तो ये साल का जो थीम था 2020 का, it was lessen the mortality of COVID-19. And globally, first Doctors Day was observed on 28th of March 1933 in Winder, Georgia. So, Dr. Roy के बारे में कुछ देखते. He was the second Chief Minister of West Bengal. He was also Mahatma Gandhi's friend and doctor. He was honored with Bharat Ratna on 4th Feb 1961. So the next news is world's फर्स्ट एवर ऑनलाइन BSc डिग्री. ठीक है, तो ये लॉन्च किया है IIT मद्रास. द प्रोग्राम विल हैव वीडियो फ्रॉम द फैकल्टी, वीकली असाइनमेंट्स एंड इन पर्सन इन्विजिलेटेड एग्जाम्स जस्ट लाइक एनी अदर रेगुलर कोर्सेस. ठीक है, तो ये BSc डिग्री का पहली बार ऑनलाइन कोर्स शुरू करने वाले हैं IIT मद्रास. Eligibility of this program is open to anyone who has passed 12th with English and Maths at the class 10th level and enrolled in any on-campus undergraduate course. The current batch of students who are completing their 12th class in 2020, मतलब जो अभी 12th के एग्जाम दिए हैं तो वो भी एलिजिबल है. एंड ग्रेजुएट्स एंड वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स कैन ऑल्सो टेक अप दिस प्रोग्राम. ठीक है, तो ग्रेजुएट्स भी ले सकते हैं एंड वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल भी कोर्स को एनरोल कर सकते हैं. So G4 virus, this is the new virus discovered in China which can infect humans and they believe it has the potential to cause a future pandemic. तो और एक पेंडेमिक आने का इसका थ्रेट है, मतलब एक गया नहीं कि दूसरा आ गया. So this swine flu has been dubbed as G4 virus. स्वाइन फ्लू जो है इसका जो साइंटिफिक फॉर्मूला इट इज H1N1 फ्लू दैट कॉज्ड वाइडस्प्रेड इलनेस इन 2019. सो ये वायरस क्या है एग्जैक्टली? G4 is a newly discovered virus with a strain of H1N1. तो इसका जो strain है it is similar to H1N1. ठीक है, it is basically a virus that found in pig but has combined swine flu virus with H1N1 viruses that circulates in human. So what is H1N1 influenza? Swine flu is a highly contagious respiratory infection caused by the type of influenza A virus in humans. It has been named so as people who work near pigs were seen getting infected by this disease. तो ये 2009 में आया था basically and World Health Organization declared a pandemic in the year 2009 as it was spreading aggressively back then. So hope you have understood today's session. If you have any doubt, you can comment below. Thank you.